Today we see about the IAM. IAM in the sense it is identity and access management, and like it is used to manage who can use the AWS resources like authentication, the authorization resources like that. Authentication in the sense it is like verifying the credentials like email, password, access keys, and secret access. This is called as authentication. And authorization in the sense there is allowing access to service-based permissions is called as authorization. User is in the sense user root user is there, regular user is there. Root user in the sense will have restricted permissions. But IAM user can create the required permissions also. Like IAM policies and permissions are there. Like it is a JSON file which is permission or restricted services in AWS management like that is there. But today's lab is the management console is there. We are the client. We are the client, like taking internet to the ISP, and there will be a user group and user groups is there and permission is there. Like at that time there is we can create an EC2 instance, we can create an S3, we can create an EFS, we can create an VPC, root S3, we can create all these ones. We can go with step by step. Okay, like open IAM user, open IAM and select the user. First we can select the user. I already created this. Select the user and we can create a user also. We create users. It is like operator 1 we can create like that. Operator 1. Okay, provide access to management console also. Give the I want to create IAM user, and custom password we can give one password like that. OERATO at 1 2 3. We can create this passwords. We can show the password like that. We can use must create a password, new password. If we can create it means we can create it easy. Custom password easy. We can use create new password, new sign recommend by IAM user means it is like the the like IAM user like AWS give me recommend some password. This is called as this. In next we give to that, and we can attach the policies directly. Like give this and and here we can put a EC2 means that EC2 instance has read-only access there. Yeah, EC2 instance read-only access there. We can click that, and here we can create the S3. S3 read-only access is there. We can create this. Click this and go next. Creator and create a user. It will create it. We can copy the CSV file. If in case we can copy. If you know that we know the password for this, username and password, we can copy this and paste it here. This is IAM user. Sign in, and we can give the we already give that now operator and I think operator 1 and give the password like that. Operator at 1 2 3. We can give this password. We can give that password only. You sign in. That will sign in. And here operator 1 is there. Here there is when it's loading. I think it's loading. Okay. We can create one EC2 instance. At that time you know that. Yeah. Here I can create an instance and launch an instance. Okay. But here I put Harry and I give the Windows and I give keeper also. Same keeper. Proceed with the recommend non-recommend. Keeper is same. There is without keeper we can access this. Okay. I launched but it's failed. Yeah, it's failed. Why means we give read-only access to that EC2 instance. When we create S3 bucket means same result happens. Okay. Same result happens. We create S3 bucket means S3 na. Same result happens in that also. Why mean we only give the read-only access, not okay. If we can give the full access to the EC2 instance S3 means it will create EC2 instance and will create a bucket also. I really like that idea. Give to anyone, but we can create a bucket means it will not come. It will not come na. Why means we are giving only the access to read only. So that's it. This is called as a IAM user for create a user operator. We can create a group na. At the time we can see. We can create a group. First we can create a group. Sign out this and click into and go to this and sign in again, like that we can give. And go to this, go to user and click this. And for this MFA is must. MFA is must. MFA is what is the MFA? 93886. This is the MFA. We go back to this and we can create a user na. We can create a group, user group. Okay, first user group. Already I create the developers. I create the developers again. Develop. I can create like front-end developers, like that. We can give front-end one. We can give front-end one. Front-end developers. This one. Okay, we can give like that. And here we can give access to S3 also. S3. We can give the access, read-only access. But this is not come. But we give a full access means the S3 bucket will come. Okay, we can create one bucket. Yeah, we give the read-only access that. What I can give? Read-only I can give. It will create the group. It will created. Then we can add on user. Okay, add on user. Like we can add the user. Add a user. Create a user. Create a user. And we can create a group. User to group. Okay. Here we can give us a front-end development. Front-end developer. Okay. Can access to that. And I want IAM user. And we can give a password also. Developer at 123. You can give this also. Okay. And give next to this. And it will create it to the group. Okay. And add user to group. We can give the add user to group. Why means we can add a group. We can add a user into the group. Okay, that's why like that we can give that. And okay, front-end developer will open on username na. It's a custom password. And record password reason we will not give the password reason. Okay, create the user. And user created na. I can go to this and paste it here. And here as a front-end developer for ONT developer. Here password is front developer at 123. So password. Okay, sign in again. It will not sign in. Okay, we go. I think same password maybe. And, so not coming, so we can put here as a 1. Here the password and I think you can put the password like front end at 123 like that. I can give now. Can just take the developers. Okay. 2 3. This is right, I think. This is also wrong. What I can give this oh no, developer developer at 123. I can give this only. Okay, I took. Hey. Why it's not coming? Oh, I didn't download the file also. Okay, we sign in again like that. Oh, I think the same. 10. Developers, I think you like me here. Developer at 1239. I think it's not. This is also not right, but okay, we can do another one time. I don't know the password. And sign in again. And sign in again. And go root user and same. That same. Open authenticator and here 3 8 195 like that, and go with the IAM, go with user group, create and group, backend, backend developers like then we can give. Okay, can give here as read only access for S3. Create a user group. Okay, then we go back to the users. Where is the backend developer? Okay, so sorry. US, we can create a user. backend developer like that. You can give this IAM user custom developers at 123. This is right, I think. Developers at 123. Okay, you can give next like that. Same only. Here we can put a add user to group. Put a next. Next. Wait a user can developers 123. Sorry. Here we can copy that developers at 123. Here backend developer. Backend developers. Here developers at 123. So now it's not convince, its fault is this developer. Now it will come when we go to the S3 bucket, S3, and now we can give only one read only access only now also this is not, this will not come, this will not come now. For this is today's IAM user and user group. For that's all for the solution. Yeah, thank you. After this we cannot sign out that. There's no cost for that IAM. Okay, thank you.